A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is the rainbow, unique to every eye, common to every heart. Ladies and gentlemen, after rain washes the sky, a soft arc of colors gently appears, the rainbow. It lasts only moments, yet its impression lingers far longer. Across lands, cultures, and times, people pause, look up, and feel something beyond words, a silent joy that belongs to everyone, yet is uniquely experienced by each. The rainbow is more than light and water. It is nature's soft whisper, reminding humanity of life's balance, that after every storm, beauty returns. A rainbow is nature's artistry, born of two celestial forces, the sun and the rain. Sunlight, ancient and pure, travels millions of kilometers across the cosmos only to meet tiny droplets suspended in Earth's atmosphere. In this meeting, light bends, refracts, and disperses into its spectrum from red to violet, creating a personal arc visible only to the individual eye. No two people ever see the exact same rainbow. Every position, every droplet, every angle is unique. Yet the emotion it evokes of wonder, peace, and joy is universal. The Bhagavad Gita beautifully echoes this interconnected mystery. Lord Krishna declares, "Of all creations, I am the beginning, the end, and the middle." The rainbow stands as a vivid embodiment of this, where beginning, that is sunlight, middle, that is water, and end, that is vision, merge into one brief magical event. Science explains the physics. The human retina processes the separated wavelengths. The brain deciphers the visual, while neurochemistry floods the mind with dopamine, serotonin, and endorphins, creating an almost childlike happiness. Psychology sees the rainbow as a symbol of hope, positivity, and resilience. Colors existing together, none overpowering, each essential. Ancient cultures saw messages hidden within these arcs. The Norse spoke of Bifrost, the bridge to the divine. The Chinese associated rainbows with yin and yang, a balance of forces. The Aboriginal Australians saw rainbows as creators of life, while Native American tribes viewed them as pathways for the spirits. Across all, one message was shared: harmony in diversity, unity amidst differences. Yet, hidden within the rainbow lies a profound invitation. It asks the observer to be present, alert, and aware. A rainbow never announces itself. It appears quietly, waiting for eyes that are open, for minds that are attentive, for hearts that have learned to look up after the rain. Joy, like the rainbow, does not chase anyone. It reveals itself only to those who pause and seek. It teaches that the most beautiful moments in life are not those we demand, but those we recognize when the conditions of grace align: awareness, timing, and gratitude. In this lies a precious lesson for the young minds of today. In a world distracted by screens, noise, and haste, the rainbow reminds them to occasionally look away from artificial lights and look up toward nature's canvas. Without this conscious habit, generations may unknowingly miss the silent teachings the universe so patiently offers. Teachings that connect science with soul and existence with meaning. Furthermore, the rainbow's briefness is its brilliance. Its very rarity amplifies the joy. The few seconds under its arc stay alive in memory, offering lasting smiles even long after it vanishes. It invites humanity to live like the rainbow: simple, carefree, optimistic, to believe that while chasing the sun, a rainbow may quietly accompany. What's the way forward? In today's fast, noisy world, the rainbow offers timeless guidance. Life's true colors often emerge after life's rains. The storm is not the end, it is the preparation. The rainbow appears not by avoiding the storm, but by moving through it. Modern existence often seeks constant light, fearing the rain. Yet both are necessary. Light gives vision, but rain gives depth. The rainbow teaches to embrace both with grace. Societies too can learn. In global conflicts, cultural divides, and personal differences, the rainbow exists only because many colors coexist. No color exists alone. Diversity, when seen as beauty rather than burden, becomes strength. Nations, communities, and individuals can strive to become rainbows in each other's clouds, sources of hope, bridges of unity, carriers of shared joy. Perhaps as humanity advances in science and technology, a parallel advancement in consciousness must accompany, where young and old alike are taught not just to analyze nature, but to listen to it. The rainbow is not merely to be seen, it is to be understood, respected, and absorbed as nature's quiet counsel for a harmonious life. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the rainbow stands not merely as an atmospheric event, but as one of nature's most profound teachers. It whispers, joy is simple, life is brief, look up, be aware, receive the gift. It teaches that even amidst the storms of existence, beauty awaits those who seek it with open eyes and conscious hearts. Like each droplet bending light for each observer, life itself shapes unique paths for every soul, yet binds all in one shared canvas of existence. Perhaps this is why across ages and across hearts a silent smile escapes when one sees a rainbow, a smile that says, I saw it, I felt it, and for a moment everything was perfect. In that moment, one realizes everyone's rainbow is different, yet the joy it gives is magnificently common, a quiet message from the universe itself that life, when seen through the right lens, is always more beautiful than imagined. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.